Sometimes we get background noise in our OBS recordings from dogs barking or chainsaws running or somebody's cutting the grass. Well, it makes us sound less than professional and it's irritating. But OBS gives you a way to filter those noises out in just a few clicks. I'm going to show you how to set it up in less than 3 minutes. You don't want to wait until your video's done to find out you've got background noise. You want to check up front. So if you look at your mixer in the bottom and it's moving when you're not talking, you've got background noise. There's an easy way to fix it, and we're going to do it. Okay, select Mic Aux, select Filters. Down at the bottom, click the plus sign. We want to add Noise Suppression. Click OK. And then we want to add Noise Gate. And click OK again. For noise suppression, you have two options. You have good quality or you have a low quality. So it depends on what your CPU will allow. I've got good quality selected. You have to test them both and see which works best. For Noise Gate, it will shut off all sound above a set decibel limit. So you may have to work with these as well. But once you get these two in place, just click Close and check again to see if you see movement in the mixer when you're not talking. I'm going to stop talking and see what we got. Boom. So check it before you start. If you see movement when you're not talking, you know something's wrong. You need to suppress that noise. And this will help cut out them chainsaws and the grass cutting and whatever's going on. Well, that's all it takes to reduce background noise in OBS. If you want more answers that don't waste your time, just come back to see us. And if you've got questions or topic suggestions, just drop them in the comments. And thank you for your support.